In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to pass two arrays to a function in Arduino. This is a crucial concept that can take your projects to the next level. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's talk about why you might want to pass arrays to a function. Arrays are super useful when dealing with multiple values of the same type, like sensor readings or pin states. By passing arrays to a function, you can keep your code clean and efficient. Sounds cool, right? Let's see how it's done. First, let's quickly recap what an array is. In programming, an array is a collection of variables that are stored at contiguous memory locations. The idea is to store multiple items of the same type together. Here's a simple example in Arduino. In this array, we have 5 integers stored together. Arrays are particularly useful when you need to handle large amounts of data efficiently. Next, let's talk about functions. A function is a block of code designed to perform a particular task. You can pass data to a function, which is known as passing arguments. Here's a simple example of a function in Arduino. Functions help in breaking down complex problems into smaller, manageable chunks. Before we dive into passing to arrays, let's start with a single array. Here's how you can pass a single array to a function. In this function, arrive is the array, and size is the number of elements in the array. Let's upload this code to our Arduino and see the output in the serial monitor. As you can see, the array elements are printed one by one in the serial monitor. Now that we understand how to pass a single array, let's move on to passing two arrays to a function. The concept is similar, but we'll handle two sets of data. Here's a basic example of a function that takes two arrays as arguments. In this function, ARR1 and ARR2 are the arrays, and size1 and size2 are their respective sizes. Let's write a function that takes two arrays, adds their elements, and prints the result. Here's how we can do it. Now, let's see this in action. Here's the complete code. When we upload this code and open the serial monitor, we should see the sums of corresponding elements from both arrays. And there you have it. Passing arrays to a function in Arduino is not only simple but also a powerful way to manage your data. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy coding. Also let me know in the comments what topics you'd like us to cover next.